Quixx, repair it yourself. Scratches can happen quickly and to anyone. This not only looks ugly, but also reduces the value of your car. But we can help you out. Use the Quixx Paint Repair Pen for repairing scratches in paints easily and at a reasonable cost for yourself. It's that simple. First, clean the damaged area. Now shake the paint repair pen well for 30 seconds. Then push the tip on a sheet of paper until the clear coat flows into it. Put the tip on the scratch and draw along the scratch. Perfect! For thicker layers, repeat the application after waiting 30 minutes. Professional results on the cheap and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself. We can help you with other repairs too. Just see for yourself. Quixx, repair it yourself.